What's going on, everybody? Cack and Balls here again. Got another package. I get a lot of stuff in the mail. I buy a lot of stuff. So we're going to open her up and take a look and see what's inside. This particular purchase came off of Amazon. And needless to say, I was actually rather surprised to find these on Amazon, because I figured that Amazon, for the most part, is just going to be for brand new stuff, and never really gave it any thought to look for older Rockford Fosgate stuff or older car audio stuff on Amazon. I don't know why. Most of my purchases and whatnot are going to be off of like eBay and other places like that. So, got some tape down here, which is on the item. Can you tell what it is yet? I don't know if you can see these. I'm not really too concerned about the box. I actually have some more of these coming from a different individual. Okay, so this is a little tougher than I thought it would be. So, how many sets of these do I need, you might ask? Well, I've got 3 more sets coming, plus this, so that's 4 sets. So I need 4 sets, that's how many I need. What you're looking at is Rockford Fosgate Fanatic X component set. So I've been looking for one of these for a while. Also was looking for the Fanatic Q, but really couldn't find any of the Fanatic Qs that were in my price range. So I came across these, like I said, and decided I'd go ahead and pick them up. So we'll take a look and see what's inside here. These are, obviously, as you can tell from looking at the video here, FNX1514. So FNX1514. I know that these had different versions, or not different versions, but different numbers as they came out and whatnot throughout the years. This one's got a sticker on it that says new tweeter mount. Don't know what exactly that means, but these came out, I believe, in 2000. This manufacture date is 4/24/2000. So it fits right into my collection of, early Rockford Fosgate, early 2000, mid to late 90s. This set is brand new. So it should be brand new. That's what the seller ended up saying, was that it was brand new. So let me adjust my light here a little bit. So we've got your mounting hardware. We've got some screws here. We've got speaker wire, all that good stuff. We got the grills. The grills, pull one of these out. Doesn't look like it is, I don't know if it's not lined up right or what, but there's the RF logo is supposed to be down here, and I don't see it. So unless I'm mistaken, maybe these don't. Oh, there it is. They just got jostled around in the packaging. So there's your RF logo down on the bottom. I always kind of wondered, I don't think I've ever used a pair of speaker grills in any of my installs. Most of the time they're hidden behind door panels or rear package trays, and you don't ever see them. But I suppose that there are people out there that do use them. I may actually end up using a set of them for my project, my 1970 Mustang Fastback. So here are some more hardware. Little baggie of hardware here. We've got our tweeter pods for flush mount or surface mount. Our crossovers, which this is going to sound really dumb, but I really wasn't wanting this particular style crossover. The reason why I say that is because I happened to do the cutting of, let's see if I can focus in on this. If I go like that, does it get any brighter? There we go. The cutting, because I want to mount these so that they're exposed, so that you can see them. So I'm going to have to end up notching or cutting this out of fiberglass, the fiberglass panels where they're going to be mounted, so they're going to be mounted like this, like the beauty boards they had that was real popular in the 90s and whatnot. So it's a harder cut. The newer ones, the crossovers, I believe, are rectangular. So it's easier cut, easier fit. These may be a little problematic, but we'll see. That time will come. I'll make a video and show you guys. So tweeters. These are going to be your flush mount. They're already in the cup. I don't think Rockford Fosgate used bread ties. I could be wrong, but I don't think they use bread ties from the factory. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. So there's tweeter number 1. Let me focus back in on this set. Let's see, tweeter number 2 has a surprise attached to it. Oh, and they do. Look at that. There's another one in there. So they still have the original connections and everything to them. So now, I'll lift that up. Nothing underneath here. So I'm going to put these back in here and put everything back, kind of. Take the drivers out. These are, keep in mind, the 5 1/4. And you're probably wondering, once again, Cack and Balls, why are you wearing gloves? Because it's still cold here. It's still cold in my garage. So, and in order to operate the camera and stuff, I've got to have fingerless gloves. If you ever go ice fishing and stuff, these are great to have. A pair of wool mittens over top of it. Anyway, we're not talking about ice fishing right now. We're talking about classic old school Rockford Fosgate. So open these up. And there you go. Brand new. Never been used. Nice and tight. A little dusty. It's funny how all this dust and stuff, it's kind of sticky on the surrounds here. I have a little microphone cord in the way there. So FNX1514 is the model number on just the drivers. So they're beefy little things. They look good. I always like these. I like the Fanatic Q because they have like the carbon fiber looking type cone. I know it's not carbon fiber. You guys can say, it's not carbon fiber, Cack and Balls. But, yeah. Good times were had by all, right? So, hopefully these will sound pretty good in my setup. I'm going to do some 5 1/4 in the front and a set of kick panels. I'm going to do a set of 5 1/4 or 6 1/2, either one in the back. Here's the guy's card that I got him from. I'll get these out of here. Boop. So anyways, there you go. Rockford Fosgate Fanatic X kind of overview. These are brand new in the box. So should be good to go. I've got, like I said, 3 more coming. I'll make another video whenever I get those. The 3 that I have coming is a complete set like this that's brand new. And then the other 2 sets, I think one set's missing a crossover in the tweeters. And then there's one set that is missing both crossovers and both tweeters, but they do have the drivers. So I might find a use for the drivers and another install or something like that. So, but that be it. So once again, as always, like I say over and over again, you know the drill. If you've seen my videos, I'll add this to my playlist so you guys can just keep watching and watching and watching and enjoy the Cack and Bally goodness that I bring to you every couple of days or weeks or however often I make these videos. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for the support. I definitely am seeing a growing number of subscribers. So hopefully I'm doing something right. Hopefully you guys like the videos. And I'll be coming back at you with some more stuff later on.